Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Diwali. I hope you all are doing well and feeling all festived up. For today's video, I'm sharing this super easy, customizable 10-minute affordable makeup tutorial. So let's start this off by priming our skin. I have Fla in Your Prime Time Primer and it's a beautiful illuminating primer. So I'm going to take a healthy dosage of that and apply it all over my skin. It's quite moisturizing as well, so perfect for this time of the year. Then I'm using Mars BB cream. Now this is a beautiful BB cream and it has more shades than Pond's and Garnier combined together. So I'm just going to be applying this on my skin with the help of a brush. You can definitely use your fingers as well. Now even with that coverage, it has a beautiful skin-like finish. Once I'm done with applying my BB cream, I'm going to apply my concealer. This is Maybelline Instant Age Divine, one of my absolute favorites. So I'm going to apply it to the usual areas, which of course include my under eyes because I do have slightly deeper circles right now. And once I'm done applying it there, I'm going to move on to the centers of my face to bring some light back to my skin. And after that, I'm going to apply it right below where I would place my contour and I'm going to start blending this out. This concealer is super easy to blend out. It's very creamy and lightweight on the skin, so it's a joy to work with. And as you can see, I am not moving the concealer much, but I'm tapping the brush into my skin. I'm not swiping it across because I want to retain a lot of that coverage. I don't want it to move away. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to go back into my BB cream brush and make sure there are no harsh edges or separations that are seen across my face. And to seal all of that in, I'm going to use L'Oreal Infallible powder, and it's a beautiful powder. I've been loving this one, you guys. It has such high coverage. So I'm just going to apply it on my under eyes to ensure my under eyes don't crease up. You can use this powder by itself as well because it does have a beautiful coverage to it. But I'm also going to apply it around my mouth because that's where I crease and I get smile lines. You can apply it all over your face if you want to. I'm going for a soft diffuse bronzer look, and that's why Fla Illuminating Bronzer is the best for it. And I'm going to apply to the normal areas that I would apply my bronzer, but this would give a beautiful illuminated look to my skin. So I'm applying it to the hollows of my cheekbones, to my forehead, next up to my chin, and also slightly on my nose. And I love the effect that it has on my skin. Look at how gorgeous it looks on the skin. Then we are blushing our cheeks up. I'm using this beautiful K-Beauty blush, which is a very bright, warm pink color. And I did slightly go overboard with this one, but I did diffuse it out, and because this is a very blendable blush, it wasn't much of a task. But of course, you should want to ideally start slightly slower than I did. Now I'm going to highlight my face up, and I have this duo highlighter from Nykaa. I'm using the lighter golden side and I'm going to apply it to the tops of my cheekbones, and I'm just blending it out, ensuring that I have a nice diffused highlighter going on as well. I don't want a very harsh highlighter. And then I'm going to apply to the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, and also my cupid's bow. With the help of NYX's finishing spray, I am just going to mist my face completely. This will ensure all of the powders merge into one another. There is no powderiness or anything, and I'm going to fan it down with my hand just to make sure my skin absorbs it quickly. Then for my brows, I'm going to take my Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil. I'm going to start off by spooling my eyebrows out to ensure there is no excess foundation in my brows or there are no knots in my brow hair. Then I'm going to start outlining my brows. This would just ensure I know the shape that I'm going for and I follow my natural brow shape. And then I'm going to go back into my spoolie and actually brush all of those strokes out to ensure that there are no harsh lines or edges to my brows. Then to make sure that they are set in place, I'm going to go into my NYX Tinted Brow Gel and I'm just again going to brush it through my brows, ensuring my brows have a lot of volume to them. I'm actually going to go back into my bronzer and use it as an eyeshadow. I love to do this, especially on days when I want quick makeup. So I'm just diffusing this all over my lid and also on my lower lash line to balance it out. Then I'm going to go back into my highlighter and use it as an inner corner highlighter. Another trick that I love to use when I don't want to use a lot of products. Now onto the main part, I'm going to use Lakme's Insta liner and I'm going to create a nice feline wing liner, a sharp feline wing. Of course, you can customize this wing according to your eye shape and whatever suits that. I'm also going to extend my inner corners today, and then I'm going to move on to a copper liner. Now here you can completely customize this according to whatever you're wearing. You can go for any jewel tone liner. What I'm doing is I'm underlining both my outer and my inner corner wing to give my liner a little bit of edge. Now for mascara, I'm using my Maybelline Sky High. I've been absolutely loving this mascara. So I'm just applying it to my top and bottom lashes. I will be going in with falsies, but you definitely don't need to. And to finish this look off, I have this beautiful burnt orange shade from Nykaa All Day Matte Liquid Lipstick that I'm just applying all over my lips. Guys, I love burnt oranges, but again, you can customize this color to whatever suits your outfit. But with that, we are done with this tutorial, and overall, I love this look. It's so easy to wear, but it's so edgy too. So if you recreate this look, definitely share it with me on my social media. But that's going to be it from my side today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, take care. I love you all so much. Mwah. Bye.